Hi guys, it's Jess. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my smoothie bowls super thick because I always post videos on my private Snapchat story showing me like making my smoothie bowls and stuff, and people just want to know more detail, I guess, of how I make them. So today I'm going to be showing you just a simple recipe with acai and blueberries and bananas, and show you how I get it to be a really thick consistency. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and I will be posting weekly, so look forward to more videos, and also comment down below if you have any suggestions of things you want to see. So let's just go ahead and get into how I make my smoothie bowls. Okay, so the first thing that I just did, I forgot to show it, is I put a packet of acai. This is just one from Trader Joe's, and I stick it under some hot water for a little bit. And then this is the blender I use. This is just a Vitamix. It's better for blending stuff like thicker. Hold on, sorry, I'm in my online class right now. I finished my class, now it is done. So I'm just gonna cut this open and pour this right in. See how there's some liquid? Sorry, I don't know if you can see that well. There's gonna be some liquid that comes out, and that is good because then it's not completely solid when you're putting it in the blender. And I'm just gonna squeeze out these juices and the remaining acai. I'm sorry, my camera keeps like shutting off, so I hope that it doesn't shut off again. But what I'm gonna do is just add in 3 halves. Then after I add the 3 halves of bananas, I just have some frozen blueberries, and I'm gonna add a good amount of those in. Okay, I'm so sorry for the quality change in video. My camera kept shutting off in the middle of me trying to show you. It was getting very frustrating, but anyways, I just add in about this much fruit and this much blueberries. Then I'm just going to add in a little bit of milk. This is the secret, is I'm just gonna fill it in a little bit, just so I see a tiny bit at the bottom. And I will show you this again. I'm just putting it up to about there. Then next what I do is I take PB Fit. This tastes so good, makes it taste peanut buttery. And the reason I use powder is because it blends a lot easier than trying to put in actual powder. So I'm just doing 2 like huge spoonfuls, as you can see. So probably equal to like 2.5 tablespoons. And then what I do is down here, I put it on setting 1. And I blend it like that for a little bit, and then once it's getting really thick and it can't really blend that well in setting 1, then I crank it up to like 3 or 4. So I'm going to mute this for the blending part, but just know like that's what I'm doing when I'm changing it on here. So yeah. Now my blending is all done. I just keep going until I don't really see any more chunks, and as you can see, it is super thick. And I did this on my Snapchat before, but I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to flip this over my head like a blizzard to show you just how thick it is. Okay. So yeah, that is how you get a super thick smoothie. I'm going to show you how I top it and show you me putting it into a bowl. Okay, so I moved this in closer just so you guys can see. I'm going to be putting it into this coconut bowl, and as you can see, it just kind of rolls into like really thick looking ice cream balls. And yeah, so I'm just going to scoop all of this into here. It does make quite a bit. If you are not super hungry, you may want to half the amount of ingredients, just because as you can see, it is super full. Then I'm just going to smooth it out so I can put toppings on it. It does make it kind of hard when it's like a big amount of smoothie to put toppings on, but I'm just going to be putting on granola and honey because we don't have any fruit right now. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting a lot of granola on top. This is the kind that I'm using. It is so good. And I just love the taste of granola with honey on it is literally so good. You have to try it. Oops, okay. So as you can see, I just put a ton of granola on top. And then these are hemp seeds. This is the brand Foods Alive. And I love hemp seeds too. So I'm just putting a decent amount of those on top. And then I was able to find some blueberries, so I'm going to do that. Sorry that I'm not making this very pretty, but it is what it is. So I'm just going to kind of put these around the edge, I guess, because I don't really have anywhere else to put them. Then finally, I'm just going to top it with a very generous amount of honey because, like I said, it tastes so good when you put the honey on top of the granola. It like puts the granola into clumps when you do this. It makes it so, so good. Just drizzle it on top like that. And then here is your finished product. Okay, so now I'm just going to be doing a live taste test for you. As you can see, super, super thick. It is so good. Especially with the peanut butter you put in it. I recommend that so much. It makes it taste amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you found this video helpful and gave you some tips on how to make your smoothie bowls thicker, and they taste so good. And I will see you guys next week. If you enjoyed this video, again, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more. Bye guys.